In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply filters in OBS to improve your audio and video. Let's start by opening OBS on your computer. Once OBS is open, look at the bottom of the screen for the section labeled Sources. This is where all the elements of your scene live, like your display capture, game capture, webcam, or microphone input. Find the specific source that you want to adjust with a filter. For example, if you're trying to clean up background noise on your microphone, you'll choose your audio input source. If you want to sharpen or color correct your webcam, you'll choose your camera source instead. Now, right-click on that source. A menu will pop up, and in that menu, look for the option called Filters, and click it. This opens the Filters window, which is where you'll do all your adjustments. You'll notice there are usually two sections, one for audio or effect filters, and another for things like visibility or volume, depending on the type of source you selected. To add a new filter, click the plus icon at the bottom of the appropriate section. A list of available filters will appear. For an audio source, you'll see options such as noise suppression, noise gate, and compressor. For a video or image source, you may see filters like color correction, crop plus pad, or sharpen. Choose the filter that best fits what you're trying to achieve and click it to add. Once you've added a filter, you'll see a set of options and sliders. This is where you dial in the effect. For example, with noise suppression on a microphone, you can slowly increase the suppression level until most of the background noise is gone, but your voice still sounds natural. With color correction on your webcam, you might adjust contrast, saturation, or gamma to make your picture more vibrant and true to life. As you tweak these settings, it helps to keep an eye on your preview window and listen to your audio levels. Speak into your microphone or move around on camera and watch how the changes affect the output in real time. Make small adjustments, test, then adjust again if needed. Remember that every environment is different, so there's no single perfect setting. Take a moment to experiment until it looks and sounds right for you. When you're happy with your changes, simply close the filters window. Your filters will stay applied to that source every time you use this scene in OBS.